Okay, we're going up the attic. The furnace is on, and I couldn't take the furnace cover off, but I just want to see. I wasn't getting any carbon monoxide readings. I'm caught and snagged here. See if I can see anything about the furnace flame. And the furnace flame looks like it's pretty good. It's off in there. I'm seeing just a little yellow in there. A little yellow in there, and we're blowing some heat out. Let's see if it's escaping over here. It's a pretty... Yeah, as we're warming the attic right there, man. It's just started. That gives you an idea what's happening here.